What's up, guys? It's Longshot63 from Lesson. Yes, welcome to a video in a weird time of the day. It is currently, I have no idea what time it's probably right 7 o'clock. But you can see my animals are eating, and my mum's just saying to my brother, "Let it go." You can see I'm in my uniform and barefoot. But I just want to do a video that I'm getting a couple of new diecasts tonight. I'm getting some tonight. And there's Enter Alcola and maybe Fillmore, and I may be just getting number 73. I'm just gonna get two other random cars, so I'm gonna get 4 diecasts. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and Longshot 763 and Mason is out.